So in this problem, we're given the circle. This point is on the circumference, and then we're given these 3 points. And we're told that AB is the diameter. So this goes through the center. And then we have these 2 points. Actually, C is here, D here. And it's connected to these points A. And quantity B is the average of the lengths of AC and AD. Now, if C and D are points that are to the right and left of this point B, which forms the diameter, I know that AD is going to be less than diameter, because it doesn't matter where D is. All these line segments are going to be less than the diameter. And I also know that AC is going to be less than the diameter. So their average length, meaning the sum divided by 2, is going to be less than the diameter. So quantity B, which needs to be compared to quantity A, is always going to be less than quantity A, because A is just the diameter, where the average of these 2 lengths would be less than diameter. So correct answer is A.